So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So let's be doing an in-depth analysis of what EURJPY will be doing for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and don't yet subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you don't miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the movement right here on our EURJPY. You can see that overall movement on EURJPY is an uptrend move. We are to the upside. Market is moving to the upside, right? That is the overall movement. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement right here. This is the high, and this right here comes the higher low. The market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So this is the higher low. So once market finish the higher low right here, we should expect market to actually push up again. In the long run, it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So now this is to tell you that a bullish move for the long run, right, is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So in the long run, we should be anticipating for the movement to the upside. That is what we should be expecting, because when you zoom it out, you see the overall trend right here. The overall trend is an uptrend move. Now, this is where the two rules of trading comes in. First, you would want to know your trend. Second, you would want to trade with the trend. So we now establish the fact that EURJPY is in an uptrend move. Now we need to go in for the buy. We need to go in open for the buy movement. So the best way to go open for the buy movement is wait for your London session to open. Once your London session opens, then look for a buy setup. Remember, London session opens first, then you look for a buy setup. If markets eventually drop, maybe it does not push up, it drop, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. If not, it will likely going to push up. More updates on this is coming soon, so make sure you subscribe in order for them to miss out on the updates.